everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I recently redecorated my room. I didn't do anything like major. It was more just accents, different pillows. I put up a shelf, which is what my camera is currently sitting on. Just kind of things like that. But since this is like the backgrounds in almost all my videos, I thought that it would be fun to just kind of show you guys how I redecorated. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get right on into it. Alright, so this is the before of my bedroom. You guys can probably tell right off the bat I have pink and rose gold accents, and my room's been like this for probably at least a year. So just going back to school, I'm ready for a change, so I chose to kind of get rid of some of the color and the clutter. I'm really just trying to kind of have a minimalistic, simplified bedroom just because I think I work better around that. So I removed my baskets and that nightstand. I got a new night table that's from Home Goods. It's this really cool wood one, and then I got a little bush of flowers from Michael's that I stuck in the little front pocket thing. That's some dried lavender, and then I have a Q&A a day book that slid right in there, and then I have a little succulent that I got at Michael's. It's in this really awesome Breathe container from Home Goods, and then my lavender candle, and then I added this little wooden laundry basket also from Home Goods that I thought added a nice touch since the night table is a little bit on the smaller side. As for pillows, I just bought one new one because I had a lot of brown pillows. Well, I had two brown pillows, so I put my new one right in the middle there, Home Goods, and then I just stuck with browns, and then I think there's like a little bit of gold and silver, and then I replaced my kind of grayish blanket with a browner blanket. So next, I added a shelf above my desk. I had seen it on Pinterest and I thought it looked cute. So we got this nice wood and white one from Home Goods. It was like 20 bucks. So we just put that up, well, my mom did. And then I added books, a little lavender, some succulent, and a little e-mug, and then a picture from Venice. I think it turned out really well. I really like how it looks because I don't know, I like wall accents. So then I just kind of put back some similar things that I had on my desk. The flowers are from Hobby Lobby, I think. The little green bush or plant is from IKEA. That container's from Home Goods. Most of my stuff's from Home Goods, honestly. And then here I just added two new pictures, and then this little gold thing, which is from Home Goods. So that picture says life is damn good, which I love, and then this one says thrive. And that's the complete redecorated room. Again, I love how it looks. I know I didn't do much, but it was a nice, easy, inexpensive change, so why not? So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I know it was kind of simple, hopefully not boring. My other redoing my room is actually like my second most popular video, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to see. It was back in the time of bright blue and green walls. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this again, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!